Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Cameron and I'm a librarian in the Youth Services Department of the Headquarters Branch Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sensory bag. Now, playing with a sensory bag can be a great calming activity for babies and young children. It helps them develop fine motor skills and it also helps with sensory integration. So what you'll need to make a sensory bag: you'll need hair gel or shower gel. You'll need a locking freezer bag. This is a gallon size, but you could make it with a smaller size as well. You'll need duct tape and scissors to trim the tape. Some of the things that you don't necessarily need, but are nice to have: food coloring, glitter, and some plastic baubles to give texture and color to the sensory bag. So I'm going to set this finished one aside and we can start our bag. Now the first thing to do is to get a good amount of gel into your bag. It's not an exact science, but I'm going to use about half of this container. You really just want enough to be able to spread it throughout the bag and for your child to be able to easily manipulate the gel and whatever objects you put in it. I'm going to put a little bit of food coloring in the bag, and just a few drops will do. I'm going to add some glitter as well. Now you could stop here, seal up your bag, and this would be good if you wanted to have your child practice writing letters or drawing shapes. But I'm going to add in some of these pony beads and a few of these plastic coins. Seal the bag and kind of incorporate them in. As you're doing this, you can kind of force the air to the top of the bag and then let it out. Now I'm going to put this bag into another bag just as another layer of protection, but you might not want to do that if you're planning to tape it to the wall or tape it to a sunny window. And the reason is that the bag on the inside will slide down. But I really do want the extra layer, so I'm going to put it in another bag. These bags have a printed side, so I'm going to make sure that the print faces the same side, so that I at least have one side that is completely clear. I'm going to fold the top down so that the bag fits more easily into the second bag, and slide it in there. I'm going to seal the second bag. You want to trim a length of tape that's a little bit longer than your bag is. I have some ready to go. I'm going to put the bag over about half of the width of the tape so that I can fold it over, and then trim the edges. Do that with all four sides. Now with two bags and the duct tape, we've got a pretty good defense against any of the gel getting out. But you will want to make sure to only let your child play with this when they're supervised, because there are small plastic pieces that are choking hazards, and you wouldn't want the gel to get everywhere. There we have it. You could mix all of the color into the bag, or you could just let the baby or the child do that. Now we have our sensory bag. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the library sometime soon. Bye.